Okay, this is the Sena Spider ST1 Motorcycle Mesh Communication System that I'll be using this season. It's a very cost-effective mesh communication system. This retails, you can find them online for around about £150, and our Simon has the Sena 50C, which has the built-in HD camera. So I'm looking forward to going for a ride at the weekend with Si and having a good old chat over the mesh system. Now, nice little box, and that's what it looks like inside. Okay, so let's take it out. So that's the device there. It's got premium HD speakers inside the box, which we'll fish out in a minute. Pairs with smartphones through an app. Now, this isn't a Bluetooth intercom, but as I mentioned, it's a mesh communication system that will communicate with other riders who have either the same system or other mesh equipped systems. Now, mesh is great. It's supposed to have a superior range, and it's generally considered better. So let's just have a look at what else we've got in the box. Okay, so set of instructions in there with your basic startup guide. In this little box here we have quite a lot of equipment. So I'll just talk about this as I grab it. This is the microphone boom that you can wear with open face or jet flip up style helmets that you can talk into, or there is a built-in microphone, which is, I say built-in, microphone that you fit inside the lid for a full face helmet, which is this little chap here, so that goes inside. I think I'll be using the boom because I've got a flip up helmet. What you've got then is these little bits here which go into the recesses inside the helmet that you fit your ear bits to, which are in this bag. These are little HD speakers in here. You've got your charging leads, you've got your foam bits to cover the boom mic to keep the wind out, lots of 3M attachments here for your inside of your helmet for fitting, and you've got two ways of fitting it, either that which clips up the bit between the inside and the outside of the lid, wedges up there like that, or you can put this on the side of the helmet too. So put that back into the middle, and there she blows. Now on here you've got the top button, which is the intercom, which you press to join with other people, and this button here is the phone for answering. It's got 9 channels. There's an open mesh scenario, which means you can have a huge number of people talking at one time in the range that you've got, or you can create a group mesh where you can have your own little group with a maximum of 24 riders to it. That would be quite a lot of chatterboxes on there, wouldn't it? It's up to 1.2 miles distant. That depends on if it's open countryside or, you know, within a city, that kind of thing. And when you've got a bunch of riders, these units can actually daisy chain together, which can give you a reach of up to 5 miles. So that's quite a bonus if you've got 3 or 4 mates in there. A lot of the functions are worked through this little dial here, volume and that sort of stuff. You set up speed dials as well, and it's all very simple to do with your phone. And you've got a little flick up aerial as well, which clicks back down. It's got about 11.5 hours talk time, takes 1.5 hours to fully charge, and you can get on a 20-minute fast charge about 3.5 hours talk time. You get a 2-year warranty with this as well. So It does also have what's called audio multitasking, where it can switch seamlessly between music, phone calls and intercom, which is good. And it's rated what they call IP65, which is capable of withstanding low pressure water jets or spray. So it doesn't actually say whether it's waterproof or not, or whether you should or shouldn't ride it on the bike, but it can obviously work under that IP65 recommendation, if you like. So £150 for a nice cost-effective communication system that you can make and receive phone calls, talk to Siri or whoever it is on Android, Google, whatever, and listen to music and talk to each other on a mesh system. So if you've got a pillion, fantastic, or if you've got mates in close proximity, on a mesh system as well, jolly good. So that's the Spider ST1 Motorcycle Mesh Communications System. And take a look at other videos coming soon, because we're going to be fitting this to the helmet.